Hello, what? That girl is Bro, that girl has a crush on me. But she gave this to me, that's why. I don't know why she got a crush on me. Wait, I'm going to Bro, you don't know that girl has a crush on me? That's why she gave this to me. Hell no, that's why I don't want. That's why I'm scared of girls. Yeah. My grandma is that. My grandma is that. She's like. Gamitan ka kamay man.